Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia C20 to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and type Send Anywhere in the search bar. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. After that, choose I accept, click Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now you need to choose Receive on an Android and Send on Nokia. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one photo. Choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, choose Allow and point your camera at the code. Now we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into Files app, select in my case Images and tap on Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!